In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop notifications from the Guardian News app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you've been receiving a lot of alerts or notifications from the Guardian News app and you wish to put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead to your app, and once you have located it, just long press on it and then choose this option called App Info from these various options. Now, if you tap on this, you'll be taken to the Guardian app info page, and here go ahead and look for the section called Permissions. Under Permissions, you should see Notifications. If I go ahead and tap on Notifications, you can see we have various types of notifications turned on. Among them, we have permanent notifications, vibration, play sound notifications, lock screen notifications, floating notifications, just to mention but a few. So all these types of notifications are the ones causing a lot of inconvenience on your side. You can go ahead and turn any as you wish. However, if you wish to turn off all these notifications, just go ahead and toggle off show notifications above here. Now this will go ahead and turn off all the other types of notifications, and from now henceforth you never again receive any pop-up or alerts from the Guardian app unless you go ahead and toggle these again. So that's how you can permanently stop Guardian News app notifications permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.